Okay, guys, so we've got a few air conditioners, but it's night, but this might not be even be all. High efficiency. It's been running. It's from March of 1999. What is that unit over there? Really weird. Oh, it's a Weddix. And it appears to be a T-class. I think this is from 2019. And there's one more train. I don't think this has even been running. Also March of 1999. I just found some more air conditioners. Another Weddix T-class, I'm pretty sure. This one's not been running. 2018. See two more Weddix T-class. What is this? Mitsubishi. This thing right here is actually broken. How much fan? 4 fan blades on this mini split. I think this is probably from 2009. This Weddix T-class isn't running. 2019. This one is. 2019 as well. Don't even know what this building is. And that's it.